build right in this building for a whopping $28 million.
Oh my god.
For one condo. Now that is a 3-story penthouse you get up top there. Now pencil box with pencil crayons coming out. The whole building itself is actually supported by those pillars and one elevator shaft.
They share a dock with us, so we're friends with them. But I say, why do that when you can enjoy a free boat ride of the islands instead that involves no physical activity at all? We're going to see some commuter planes that are taking off and landing at Billy Bishop Airport. I'll leave you folks alone now for another few minutes, and once we get closer to the harbor front, I'll grab the mic again.
Yeah.
You can do some swimming, enjoy some beverages. I'm sure that they have.
It's so cool. Awesome. So I'm just waiting for JP. As you can see, we've done the boat cruise, we've gone on the tour bus, we're gonna hop back on the tour bus and we're gonna Sweet Jesus, and then we're gonna make our way back home. But so far I've had a really fun time. We're just at the power plant right now taking a little break before we hop on, because I think the bus will be here and I don't know, it runs every 15 minutes, but we'll see.
My friends, to our left here. This is actually the first, to our left here, that is the Eaton Center.
Yeah, I want it there.
Yeah, the Eaton Center, my friends, is the most visited attraction here in Canada. Eaton Center is 4 city blocks long and 1 city block wide. It is so huge that there are 2 subway stations at each end.
S'mores, and he got Sweet Baby Jesus. And the weather is perfect. Patrick's not happy with my umbrella situation here. I didn't know.
Like, we can't even lie down.
You have to lie right under it.
It sucks. Like,